Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete product group in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in shipping setting. Now you see region 1. So we are in region 1 and we are going to delete product group. Now you see multiple setting and then you see you have two product groups. Now click on manage product groups. So click on it. Now pop up open and then you see we have two group ABC hello. So we are going to delete it and then you see setting icon. So when we hover on it and then you see add rename delete. So we are going to delete it. So click on it and then you see pop up again delete group. Now you see delete group. When you delete a group, the product group will be deleted from all shipping region. The product inside will be moved back to default group. Now you see select group to delete. Now select ABC and then click on delete group. Now delete it. Now you see yellow again. So this is our another group. So in this way you can delete product group in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.